Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present for sale this 1 litre SZT S-Cross ALLGRIP in superior white for sale. This car has got full service history. As you can see, the alloy wheels are in superb condition all the way around, as is the bodywork. One of the features of this car is keyless entry and keyless start. As you can see, the interior is in superb condition. The colour touchscreen, sat nav, digital radio and smartphone projection. As you can see, the car's ALLGRIP system is very easy to use. Moving into the rear of the car, 3 seats, good legroom for rear passengers with ISOFIX, again in superb condition. The car has privacy glass on the rear 3 sides. Down to the boot, which is class leading boot space for a car of its size. The car also has a reversing camera. It is worth noting that any car sold by Luscombe Suzuki will come with a service before leaving and 12 months MOT if needed.